Today I will show you how to do your work using graphic organizers on Reading Workshop and Writing Workshop lessons. Let's go to today's Reading Workshop assignment. Today is Tuesday, so I will look under Tuesday and find the Reading Workshop assignment and click View Assignment. So before, you had to write your answer in the class comments box and post. A lot of you shared that this was sort of tricky, so here's an easier and more fun way for you. Now I will post a graphic organizer that you can actually type in. So what you do is go to your work and click on the file. And a graphic organizer will pop up. The graphic organizers are going to be similar to the ones that we use in class. Today's lesson is about finding the main idea and key details from a nonfiction text. So we are going to be using the boxes and bullets graphic organizer. All you have to do is after you read your nonfiction book, you can click here, type your main idea here, click here, type a detail, click here, type a detail, click here, type another detail. I included sentence starters for you so you can see where to type and so we can practice writing in complete sentences. Here's an example. The main idea of my book is the differences between frogs and toads. As you can see, I can type straight into this graphic organizer. Now, you don't have to press save because all the things that you type are saved automatically. When you're finished, all you have to do is press X. When you are finished with putting your answer inside of the graphic organizer, then press Turn In. Please do not press Turn In until you're done with your assignment. Again, please type your answer inside the graphic organizer and then click Turn In. Now I will show you the writing. We go back to our writing assignment for the day. There is another chart for you to fill out. So just like before, all you have to do is click this and type in your answers straight into the graphic organizer. Remember, you don't have to press save. All you have to do when you're done is press X, and then when you're finished, press Turn In. Hope this helps.